Hi everyone, here we have a multi-tool from Lidl. It's called Crivit multi-tool. And I am really disappointed. This is the first item that I have seen in Lidl stores that is the quality is really not as it's supposed to be. But the price of this was amazing. £4.99 the price of this, and it comes again with 3 years warranty. I get everything out of the box and we are going to talk about this. And it comes with a holster that you can attach this to your belt and carry this around, and it has something like many tools. Here we have 14, so is 1 in 14 tools. So I get everything out and I tell you what is wrong with this, if I recommend it or not. Here is all that we get in the toolbox in this, and the tools that we are having is measurements in centimeter and inches, 3-in-1 pliers, flat pliers, gripping pliers and wire cutter, and then file with integrated slotted screwdriver, 4.5 millimeter, knife 6 centimeter, crosshead screwdriver PH2, a slotted screwdriver 3 millimeter, a slotted screwdriver, another one 4.5 millimeters, knife 3.5 centimeter, and saw and tin copper opener. Anyhow, the problem with this, when I got it, let me see if we are staying in focus. The problem was all these screws, they were so loose that these, when you open each part, and let me tell you, opening and closing these are extremely difficult. So this is the knife, and then the file and the screwdriver head, and it has a latch that you have to press this in order to open any of these. And here we have a crosshead screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So on this side that was 4 of them, and we have another 4 here, and you press the lever. This is the saw, and this one is the opener. Let me just make it to focus, and it has a knife edge here, and then we have these two. Let me just, it's really difficult to focus. We have a piercer or something that you can make a hole, and then another flathead screwdriver there. So we have 4 on each handle, and then 3 in here, the tip and the grip and the cut, and then we have the measurements. One side is in inches and the other side is in centimeter. So the problem with this was all these screws, they are very hard to tighten. I have tightened them as far as I could. I shut them back on again for you to see, and now that I tighten both of these, they stay in place. But when they've been loose, it was they've been moving all around. Sorry, I just hit the camera. And each of them, when you took one out, it was so loose. But now that I tightened them, it's not bad. And the quality of these screws, they are not very good, they are not very deep, and because of that you cannot tighten them properly without gripping them, and it has no grips. Maybe some people, they can change these screws here, but I doubt it because they are very tiny. And when you close it and putting it in the holster, is really tight, but for the price, £4.99 is not bad. But in general, and I have to tell you that on eBay they have been sold for minimum of £9.99 and up to £13, this one. And for the price, £4.99, not bad at all. But the only reason that I might recommend this item is for the price and the 3-year warranty, nothing else. Anyhow, this was a short video about this Lidl multi-tool, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And until my next video, please share my video, like it, do whatever you like with my video, and I hope, yeah, as much as I enjoy making them, you enjoy them as well. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.